Hi viewers, you are watching DS Lifestyle, and in this video I'll be telling you some facts about Dobermans. Before watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification icon for staying updated about my videos. First fact of Doberman is the origin of Doberman and the story behind the creation of Doberman, that how Doberman was created and why Doberman was created. As we all know, Doberman is a German breed and it is created in Germany. It was created by a tax collector for his protection. Name of the tax collector who created Doberman was Karl Louis Doberman. As Karl Louis Doberman was a tax collector and he wanted to get a dog which should be strong, bold, aggressive. So he created the Doberman in order to get a dog which is strong, bold, aggressive and a good guard as well as a watchdog, because he was carrying a lot amount of money with him because he was a tax collector. That's why he wanted to create a dog which should have a good strength, a good bite force, a good aggression, a good prey drive and everything which a perfect guard dog should need. Now let's move on to the fact number 2. Unlike some other dogs that have been hanging around since ancient time, Doberman is a breed that is new to the scene. Dobermans have been created in late 1880s. That's why they are a fairly new breed, which makes them less than 150 years old. As we all know, Doberman is not at all a naturally occurring breed, nor it is a pure breed dog. It is a hybrid dog created by Karl Louis Doberman. Karl Louis Doberman crossed or mixed many dog breeds in order to create this majestic and powerful dog. Some of the dog which he used were German Shorthair Pointer, Rottweiler and Black and Tan Terrier and many other breed. Actually there is no specific record which shows how many breed and which breed were used in creating this majestic creature. Karl Louis Doberman didn't maintain a specific record while he was creating this breed. So all the breeds which I mentioned are some of the probable breeds. It is just a probability that these breeds may be used in making this majestic creatures, but there is no surety that which of the breeds were used in making this creature. Many of the breeder believe that there were more than 10 or 15 breeds used in making Doberman. Now let's move to the fourth fact, which is related to the ear and tail docking of Doberman. Dobermans were made to be a personal guard dog or fighting dog. That's why their ears and tails were traditionally docked. This is because when the Doberman were in a fight, then the opponent dog used to catch their long ears or their long tail, which provided them several injuries. That's why people used to dog their tail and crop their ears in order to enhance their performance in a fight. But in today's world, dog fighting is illegal. That's why you don't need to crop their ears or dog their tails. Now let's move to the fifth fact about Doberman, which is Dobermans are the fifth most intelligent dog breed on this planet. Dobermans also served as a war hero in World War II. German army used Doberman as sniffing and guarding dogs in World War II. There is an incident in World War II in which Doberman saved the life of many German soldiers, but unfortunately, the life of Doberman was sacrificed in the war. All these facts and characteristics of Doberman shows that Doberman is a very majestic dog breed and it is a very good guard dog. Doberman is having a very good prey drive. It is also having a very good aggression. If you are planning to get a Doberman, then you should give your dog a proper exercise, because Doberman is a working line dog and it needs proper exercise for its physical and mental fitness. So I hope the video proved to be informative for you all and you all liked the video. If the video was informative, then please like the video and share the video with your friends. Tell your friends to watch this video before getting a Doberman, as this video can be informative and helpful for your friend. So please share this with your friend and like this video, subscribe my channel and please stay tuned and hit the notification icon for getting more updates about my video. Thanks for watching.